Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. I hope you're enjoying your learning journey so far. My dear student, today we are going to understand a very interesting and important concept, which is isotopes of an element. You may have seen that elements like chlorine or carbon have different atomic masses and different sources. Why is that, my dear student? It is because of isotopes. So, my dear student, by the end of this lecture, you will know everything about isotopes of an element. So, let's begin. What are isotopes? Isotopes or atoms of the same element having the same number of protons but different numbers of neutrons. That means same atomic number but different mass number. Let's break it down. Atomic number is equal to number of protons, while mass number is equal to protons plus neutrons. So, when the number of neutrons changes, the mass number changes, but at still the same element because protons say proton T the same, proton T the same. Examples of isotopes are, first example, hydrogen's isotopes. There are three isotopes of hydrogens: protium, deuterium, and tritium. And protiums, there is one protons, so its mass number is 1 and have no neutrons. While in deuterium, have one protons, one neutron, so its mass number is 2. In tritium, have one protons and two neutrons, its mass number is 3. My dear student, all are hydrogen atoms, but they have different masses. You see, used in nuclear reaction freezing fusions. And the second examples of isotopes, it is carbon isotopes. My dear student, carbon is also three isotopes. It is carbon 12, carbon 13, and carbon 14. Carbon 12 have 6 protons and 6 neutrons, and its mass number is 12. While carbon 13 is also 6 proton but 7 neutrons and mass number is 13. And carbon 14s have 6 protons but 8 neutrons, so mass number is 14. My dear student, carbon 14 used and carbon dating to find the age of fossil. Now, characteristics of isotopes. There are many characteristics of isotopes, but here the main characteristics of isotopes are: number one, same chemical properties, because chemical properties depend on electrons and protons. And the second one is different physical properties, which is melting point, boiling point, density can vary. And the third one is stability. Some isotopes are stable, like carbon 12, which is stable, but some are radioactive, like carbon 14, tritium. And the fourth one is isotopes occur naturally or can be man-made. My dear student, that's all about the isotopes of an element. I hope you are all understand. And if you have any questions, then you will ask in the comment sections. My dear student, if this lectures helped you, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channels, and also press the bell icon and share it with your friends for more education chemistry lesson. And take care and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.